Hi everyone, in this video I will walk you through how to create a macro and record it and how to use the keystroke for your macro. So in this assignment you can go through here, go to view tab and go to macros group and then click here and then you click recording macro, or you can go developer. You can create a macro here, or you can start a macro recording macro here. But I will go through in the shortcut down below here. So to create a macro, so I will use my macro name. I will use the Latu, my name in here, underscore, because you can't be able to use space in here. So I just use this. In this document, you have to apply this document, and you can see here, you can put any, description that you want to put, but just for, I will put this one, it's this description. So if you wanna use the keyboard, for you to like access like shortcut, um, to access to your macro, you can click here and then you can use any shortcut that you want, and then you have to click assign and then close. So by at this time your recording is already started. You can see below the cursor it's that symbol in there. So, and you can also see here. So it says pause recording or stop recording. And so in this assignment, it's required you to set a right align tape stop at 6.5 inches. So here in New Zealand, we use centimeters, which I convert the 6.5 inches to um, 16.5. So by going to the to set up this, you have to go through on the home tab and paragraph, and then you have to um, click this arrow to go to paragraph setting. So, and then you go down at the bottom to the tabs and click there, and then you enter the 16.5 and the right align, which is required in this assignment. And then the next step is um, set align depth stop at 3 inches. So I convert the 3 inches uh, for centimeters, it's 7.2. So you have to go through the same process. Just go through here and go to the tab, and then you have to enter 7.2. 7.2 in here, and then click left and then OK. So the next one, it says hit tab to move your cursor to the 3-inch mark. Click on underline, then hit tab once more. Your underline will neatly go from the 3-inch tab to the right align tab at 6.5 inches. So I have to click the tab keyboard, and then because it's required to use the underline, so you, you never use this underline through here. But so for when you use the macro, you have to go through here and then click go to the underline style here, and then you click whatever you want to click here, but I will use this, and then click OK. So when I press the tab again, it will go to the 6.5 inches. You can see in here, that's the end of the 6.5 inches. So, and then the next requirements, it says to deselect or turn off the underline. So I have to go through in the same process and then go through the underline style and then press none, and then okay. So the next one, it says go to the next line and tap over to the 3 inches mark and type in bold your name. So I have to press enter, go down and press tab, and then go through here and then add it to bold. But you can do anything, whatever you want in here. So you can also edit whatever the font in here that you want to use. But so so you can use anything you want in here. And also I always want to use 12 bold, and then select OK, and then I type my name. So you can see I can type my name here, and then the next requirements, it says go to the next line and they over the 3 inch mark, and so you have to go through it the same process. Hit the enter button and then tap enter. Uh, Press the tab, and then I had to put the title in here, which I use for my macro name. So and the last one, it says go to the next line and tap over to the 3 inch and inch mark and type an email. So I have to press enter again and then press tab and direct me to where it at, at the end of the 3 inches. So and then I have to type any email. Let's type any email, like um this is not my email, but I'm just using it, you know, um, just for any, for example. And it says to stop recording. So you can stop by going to view and then go to macro here and then click stop. Or you go to full developer and go through here and click stop. So if you want to test your macro by using the correct keystroke, do you remember the keystroke that I used earlier, which is Control Q? So when I click the Control Q, um, you can see your macros, it's working. So I have to press the Control Q. You can see here it's work. And yeah, so please subscribe and hit the like button if this is helpful. Thank you.